Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be decorating this 3-tier tray from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to do it in Halloween stuff. So here's just some goodies. Most of it's Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree. I made this. I made these from Hobby Lobby, a 2-pack of the fall ones, and I just painted them and added little tassels. These are from the 99-cent store. My friend Jess found them for me. These are fall related, but I made them double-sided. So they are now Halloween. These little jars, Target Dollar Spot, Dollar Tree, 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 Target Dollar Spot, cute little books, Target Dollar Spot, these little tombstones, some words. The spiderwebs from the 99-cent store. Bones are from Dollar Tree, 99-cent store. I altered this. This is from Dollar Tree as well, but I could probably use him over here. So yeah, that's what I'm working with. So here I am. I think the best thing to do is just start putting stuff everywhere. And if it doesn't look right, then you move it. I kind of had a vision in mind. So I was putting the cup and the ball bead string exactly where my fall tier. Here I am just cutting some branches and peeking those in and out. Those are from Dollar Tree. They're super glittery, super messy. Moving stuff around. If it doesn't look good, put back your original design. So here I'm just tinkering with all the little pieces. I'm sticking some bones in those jars. This sign did not end up working and neither did my bird. But I think I like the way that it turned out. This is the finished product. Very witchy, spooky vibes that I was going for. I threw that bird right there because he did not fit anywhere. I kind of just stuck that 99-cent store spiderweb in the back, kind of just offsetting from the center. Can't really see my witch potion sign. Little bottles, I stuck some bones in it. I have the beads hanging down from the faux array done cup, kind of like I did for the fall one. I will leave my fall decorate with me. I was able to fit 2 of my little cement books and 1 little tombstone. Here's the little hexes, spells, and potions, a little candle. I did the trick or treat, kind of like the ghost is holding him, but other than that, it looks super cute. I love the way that it turned out. All right, bye guys.